Yeah, okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a Japanese house modern with 9 and 10 meter for the building dimension. Then first of all we have to make a rotated rectangle. For the basic shape we can start from the origin, then we can track to the another side, as we can track the right side on 9 meter. Okay, then do the back around 10 meter. Okay, okay, and then we have to push it up with 300 millimeter for the thickness. Then we have to make it group, and then we can set another another space over there. We can use the tape measure tool. Okay, we can track it to the background 1.5 meter, and this side around 1.5 meter. We some that this building are on the urban position, urban line anyway. So then we have to make the wall over there to make a barrier wall anyway. We can use a rectangle over there, can place on this position. Then we have to push it to the another side 150 millimeter, and we have to push it up around 8 meter. Okay, so we can just make group, and we can just move and place on this position. Okay, so and after that we can make another floor anyway. We can make another floor with using the rectangle. Start from this corner and to this corner anyway. So and after that we have to push it up around maybe around 500 millimeter anyway, or maybe it's just too small for the steel construction anyway. We can just make around 300 millimeter. So then we have to make group anyway, then we can move it up. Okay, we have to move it inwards, and then we have to move it up around 3.6 meter, which is something like this. Okay, and then we have to make the support. We can make another support. We can using the rotated rectangle. Start from here until this position around 1 meter maybe. Okay, then we can give thickness around 150 millimeter. Then we have to push it up anyway. Okay, we have to push it up, make group, and then we can make another support over there. We can place on this position anyway. Okay, we can place on this position. Okay, so then we can make another support over there. We can move and duplicate it till this position. Then we have to rotate it. Okay, until this position. Then we have to move in until this position, and we can place on this position for the conceptual position anyway. This is about the conceptual position only. About, so if you would for another more details for this structural or architectural construction, you have to discuss or consult with another related engineer, such as architect, professional architect, or structural engineer, or your lecturer in your college anyway. So we have to push it up again for the another structure, or maybe it's just for the ground floor anyway. So for the second floor we can make another support. We can make another support over there. We can place on this position. We can make the more little than before. Then we use 150 millimeter. Then we have to push it up around 3.6 meter also. It's same to the ground floor elevation anyway. So and we have to move and duplicate it to another position until this position, and we can just move and press control, and then we can press on this position. Okay, and then we can rotate it again. We can rotate it until this position. We can place on this position, and then we can place on this position anyway. Okay, maybe we can make this position to make a better positioning. So and after that we can just move and press control to duplicate it. Okay, this is about the the roof plan. This is about the roof anyway for the second floor. So, and after that we can make another sliding door anyway. We can using rectangle and offset it inside around 40 millimeter and just erase. Then we have to offset it, push it to the back around 120 millimeter, and then we can just make group. Okay, so then we can make another line, and then we can divide until it until two part only. So we we attempting to make the large door, large transparent door over there to make it more enough daylighting in the indoor area. So then we have to offset it inside about this frame. We can using 90 for the frame lift thickness. Then we have to push it to the back around 30 or maybe is about 50 millimeter for the lift thickness. Okay, so then we can make the glazing over there. We can make the glazing. Then we have to push it to front and just make it group anyway. Okay, so then we can make another glazing, and okay, we can just make group and make component, create. So and after that we can just move and press, we can select move, press Control to duplicate it, and then press on this position. Okay, so we can make another door anyway, or window. This is about the fixed window. We can set the thickness around 40 millimeter, and then we have to erase. So and after that we have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter, and we can just make group. Okay, so then we can make another glazing component, push it to front and just make group and place the glass material over there. So and after that we can make another door element over there. We can make the another door element with using a rectangle. Okay, this is about the largest door of element. We have to push offset it inside around 40 millimeter and just erase. So then we have to push it to back around 120 millimeter. We can just make a group anyway. Okay, so then we can just make a line over there. We can divide. We can just divide. Then we can divide into the three part of the door leaf anyway. So then we can make another leaf with the rectangle again. Then we have to push it down. So but after that we have to offset it inside around maybe around 90 millimeter. Same for the another door just now. Then we have to push it to the back around 50 millimeter for the thickness, and then we can just make a group. Okay, and after that we can make the glass panel over there. We can make the glass panel and push it to the front and just make it group. I'm sorry. Okay, then yes, we have to sign with the material. We can just make group and component. Don't forget to make a component to make ours easy for the adjustment for the further. Okay, this is about the door panel anyway. So and after that we can make another glass panel position in this area. Then we have to offset it inside around 40 millimeter also. Then we have to erase. So and after that we have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter also. Okay, so we can just make it group and make the glass panel also in this area anyway. Okay, this is about the glass panel. Then we can give a thickness around 10 millimeter anyway. Then we can just make it group. Okay, this is about the solid wall anyway. This is about the solid wall because the position are on a back. Okay, so we have to give a thickness around 120 millimeter. Then we can just make it group anyway. Then we have to move it until this position. Then don't forget to assign with glass material over there. Okay, so and after that we can make another. Okay, we can make another glass panel. Maybe we can make another glass panel over there. We can using the rectangle also. Then we have to offset it inside around 40 millimeter, and just erase. Then we can push it to the back around 120 millimeter. Okay, okay everyone. So I've conclusion about the housing modeling or building modeling. The key for modeling is on the key for building modeling in my version are on the opening design anyway, opening design modeling and layouting anyway, because the both of them are so important to us to make the great design of the 3D modeling. So in this window, I would like the unique arrangement of this glazing panel. I've drag the guideline with the tape measure tool, start from the right to the left position around 800 millimeter, and this from the left to right around 800 millimeter also. Then we can make the vertical line over there. We can push it to the left around 40 millimeter, and then we can just make it group anyway. I'm sorry, we have to make it group, and okay, we can make group, and maybe we can make a component also. Then just create it, and then we can move and place this position. Then we can select move and place to this position also. So it's look better than the another arrangement, I think, because it look more artistic and architectural art on this window opening. We have to make the thickness for the glazing. Okay, so we can make another frame over there. Maybe we can just copy for the ground floor window anyway. We can select make group, and then we can move and duplicate it for the another position to the upper position anyway. So, and we have to select the top object and then place on this position, and then we have to push it up until this position also. Okay, so then okay, and after that we can maybe we can assumption that this is about the solid, this is about the solid position, solid wall anyway. And this one and this one, this is about the another window over there. This is about another window. Then we have to offset it inside around 40 millimeter, and then we can just erase. So and after that we have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter, and we can just make it group anyway. Then we can make the another glazing or maybe we can make the another arrangement of the vertical frame anyway. We can give 40 millimeter thickness, and then we can just make a group, and we can make the another position in this position. Okay, so then we can set the glazing panel over there. You can set the glazing panel over there at this position. Then we have to push it to the front, just make it group anyway, then just glaze. Okay, so and after that maybe we can set the another wall anyway. Then we have to push it to the front around 120 millimeter, then we can just make it group also. Then maybe we can make the another little window over there for assumption for our prediction. This is for the small room, or maybe this is for the bedroom position on this back area of this house anyway. Then we have to offset it inside around 40 millimeter and just erase. So we have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter and make it group, and we can make the another glazing panel also in this position. Then we have to give a thickness anyway, make group, and I'm sorry, we have to make it group and give a material. Okay, I think it's enough, but this is, we have to make the small canopy roof element. Maybe we can follow using start for draw the rectangle profile over there for this wall. Then we can make the follow me path with the line, with the line. Just follow this video. Okay, so we can select this triple line. I can select this triple line, and then we can select the follow me, so it will be automatically arranged for the follow me tool anyway. Okay, so something like this. Then we can just make it group anyway. and we can make the okay, maybe we can just move and duplicate it until this position. Okay, okay, so this is about the flat roof anyway. Okay, okay, I think it's maybe we can make the separation of this wall. We can make the wall separation of it until this position. Then we have to push it to the another side anyway. So and after that we can make the another landscaping element. We can make the another landscaping. Maybe we can just push it to the front again over there. Then we can make the another landscaping element over there. Okay, just something like this, and then okay, we can place on this position. Okay, for the landscaping. Okay, we can place this position. Okay, so and after that we can make another 2-point arc. We can make the landscaping with a 2-point arc to make a more artistic landscape arrangement of this Japanese modern house anyway. Okay, you can use this tool 2-point arc. Okay, just follow this step anyway. Then we have to erase some unnecessary line over there. Maybe we can set to this another position until right this. Okay, so okay, we can place on this position. Okay, so after that we can okay, we can make it the complete of this plan. Okay, we have to check it correctly about the landscape separation. Okay, we have to check it correctly. Okay, or maybe we can select right click and intersect with the selection. Okay, okay, and it's done. Okay, so we can set another landscaping element. We can using the vegetation landscape over there. So then we can set this one for the landscaping element. Okay, so again after that we can set the material. Maybe we can using the wood material for there. We can using the wood material of this every single door and window frame anyway. So it's like in this video. Okay, so you can also follow this step for this video. Okay, okay, thing. Okay, so then we can set another concrete material. Maybe we can using this concrete material. Okay, we can using this one and this one. Okay, this is about another exterior look for the Japanese model. So we can make another floor terrace area in this position. Then we can offset it offside around 400 millimeter only, or maybe more. We can offset it inside around 600, just like this. So then we can complete for uncompleted line over there. Okay, okay, we can using it. Look, we have to. Okay, we have to make sure that they are connected. We have to make sure that they are connected anyway. Okay, so we have to offset it inside around 600. Okay, we have placed on this position, and then okay, so we have to push it down, and we have to push it down. Push it down again 150 millimeter. Okay, we have to make group, and we can set another line. Okay, so we have to set the green. So then we can set this one for the terrace floor anyway. Okay. So then we have to set another roofing. We can using this roofing metal. We can place on this position anyway. Okay, so and then we have to place on this position also. Then we can adjust for the color for the we can using the RGB color and set it up to the left or right side all over of it, something like this. And then we can just select a concrete. Then we can select this material. Okay, so then we can set another material. Maybe we can using this one, or maybe we can spread it the wall over there. Okay, just something like this. Then we can set the wall material over there. Okay. Okay, so then we can make another landscape element for make a beautification about the landscaping. Just in this position maybe, or in this position. Then we can set another landscaping material over there. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, maybe we can make another wood element. Maybe we can make another wood element by start making rectangle over there and push it to the front. And this one, and push it to the front also. And we can just make it group, and then we can set the brick material in this position. Sorry, we can set the bedboard. Okay, in this position, and in this position also maybe to make it more variative anyway, to make it more variative than before, so it's not too simple design anyway. We have to push it to the another side, then we can just make a group and place. Okay, and after that maybe we can set the color of this board anyway. And I think it's enough. And after that we can set another component there, or maybe we can set the lumber ceiling of this roof anyway in this position. Then we can set the scale of it. We can set the 300 of the scale. Okay, and after that we can make another okay, we can make another component by using a component and select this component sampler. Then we can set the tree. We can set the tree over there, place on this position. We can scale it down, and then we can move and duplicate it in this position, or for the another position also we can place on this position. Okay, so then we can set the green glass material for the tree anyway, and it's done. And we can scale it about the height or the width of this tree of it anyway. Okay, so sorry, we can set the shadow. After that we can set the shadow of this house anyway. So we can set the shadow, and we can adjust for the shadow orientation, dilating orientation that can make the shadow position of it anyway. Okay, we can just place on this position. Okay, I think it's enough. This is about the simple modeling for the exterior focus of this Japanese house. For the interior, you can improve it by yourself to exercise and improve your skill for the 3D modeling in SketchUp. So you can achieve for the another portfolio of your 3D modeling and achieve your upgrade skill of this 3D modeling of this simple Japanese house modern. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video tutorial this channel. Thank you.